Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna quickly unbox my Ipsy December Glam bag. So here it is, super excited to show you guys. Just quick announcement, this might be the last video of 2021 for me. I'm planning to come back with new and exciting videos next year. I just love to kind of take it easy during the holidays, just less stress for me, the better. And yeah, who knows, if I do feel inspired, I might have one more video coming, but for now, this might be the last one. Comment down below what other types of videos you'd like me to have or to show for next year, for 2022. I actually want to dive into more of affordable makeup, affordable skincare. So hopefully we'll get into that very soon. In the meantime, I do have a giveaway right now. Super exciting. It's a holiday collab with 9 other girls here on YouTube, and we basically just have a video on gift ideas, holiday ideas, makeup ideas, everything you can think of, everything that you need to help you out in this crazy Christmas holiday season. I'll put the playlist in the description box below in case you want to enter. It is also a giveaway, an Amazon gift card giveaway, and there's going to be 2 winners. So why not? Who doesn't want an Amazon gift card? Like, we could all use that right now. I'm about to enter my own giveaway. So I'm trying to multitask here. Let's go ahead and open the Ipsy December bag. So it's kind of like a rose gold glittery bag, and I like it. It's not like the best. They could have made this a little bit better, but I don't mind it. Okay, let's see. Do I get the card that talks about the products? No, but it does talk about the 2022 Beauty Horoscopes. So I am an Aries, so let's see. Let your drive and determination guide your color choices. Go bold. Okay, 'tis the season to treat yourself. Yes, always treat yourself. Of course, we also have to gift ourselves because we work so hard and we can't forget about ourselves too. First thing in the bag I'm already happy with. 2 face masks from the brand Cremeshop or Cremeshop. I've heard about this brand before, and so I'm so excited to use this. It says, baby, it's gold outside. 24K gold plus collagen. Yes, sign me up. I do want that. And then the collagen and squalene essence sheet mask. The essence sheet mask has been a lifesaver for me, so I love that I got these 2 masks. So these are full size, obviously. Okay, we are continuing on. We're moving. I've got my peppermint mocha from Starbucks. I'm ready for the day. I already picked it, guys. So the first one is the Oryza Beauty Royally Shimmer Eyeshadow. So it's like a small sample size quad. It's very basic. The colors are right there. So as you can see, they're very neutral colors. So I'm not gonna open this because maybe I'll put this in a giveaway. I just have too many of these similar colors. I mean, this alone looks like a dupe for my Charlotte Tilbury quad that I have. So I think I'm gonna pass. And then I have the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. This has been a long time favorite, and I have actually bought so many bottles of this already. It's a gel moisturizer, and it's very nice, very cooling on the base. It helps with oil control, so I'm excited for that. And this one is a luminizer. I am not very big on luminizers. I prefer like powder highlights. They just work better for me. They're just easier to apply, and I always have them everywhere. This is what I'm most excited about. I finally have an Ofra blush, and the color is so nice. I love the Ofra packaging, this white packaging, but more than anything, I think the color is beautiful. I've never tried an Ofra blush before. I'm behind when it comes to Ofra. This one looks like it has a little bit of sheen or shimmer to it. Ultra blush. I am most excited about this. I mean, this alone makes the whole bag and I'm happy for it. And also the 2 sheet masks. So that is everything in my Ipsy bag, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. And if I don't see you this year, I'll definitely see you in the new year. Happy holidays to everyone. Merry Christmas. Whatever it is that you're celebrating, make it a good one. Bye, guys.